Plan your day the Asana way with My Tasks and Inbox. Rather than tracking to-dos in emails or your head, start by visualizing your day's work in My Tasks. Here, you'll see all the tasks assigned to you across every project in your organization. Create new tasks for work you need to get done. Organize your tasks with sections. Or group them by things like due date or project. And choose your favorite view. Open the detail pane to find all the context you need to start working. And when you're done, complete the task. Next, head to your inbox to get caught up on the work you're following. Respond to comments to keep work moving forward. Sometimes a like is all you need to show you agree. And for big accomplishments, send an appreciation to your teammates. Need to continue the conversation in person? Add the task to your meeting agenda, all without leaving your inbox. Lastly, take action on each inbox notification. Bookmark notifications you want to return to, and archive notifications that you've read or responded to. Head to the Asana Help Center to learn more.